Hello people. So again we are back. This time we have again taken a very simple example in Java that we want to check that if a number is odd or even. So for that we have defined a class. You also define a class. You can take the default package whichever you want. Now we are defining the main method. So type ma, then control blank space enter. This is the shortcut. This will automatically create the main method for you. So for checking any number which is odd or even, we first need a number. So for that, just define a scanner class. I hope now you all are understanding that why we need a scanner class. Always remember that we need a scanner class to take input from the user. And system.in, in that this in states that this class is related for input management. So now give a message to the user that type your number. Obviously he will type, then only we can check that number is odd or even or whatever. Type your number. Now store that value into some variable. We are storing into num1 of type int and sc.nextInt. Now how can we check that a number is even or odd? So we have been reading in mathematics books that when a number is completely divisible by 2 is even number. If a number is not completely divisible by 2, then it is not even number. So we will check this by doing this. So we will first we have already taken a number. Now we have only two conditions: if number is completely divisible by 2 or not. If yes, then this will be an even number. If this is not completely divisible, it means that the number is not even, that is odd number. But what is the meaning of completely divisible? In Java, completely divisible means modular division of two numbers is equals to 0. Yes, this is the correct thing, that if there are two numbers and their modular division is equals to 0, it means that on division their remainder should be equal to 0, then that number will be even number. So let's write a condition in Java for checking anything. We write for conditional statement, we write if. So if num1, what we will do? Modular division, because we are going to check that whether number 1 is completely divisible by not. It means the modular division of that number by 2 should give us 0. Okay, then it will be even number. So we are done now. Simply this will be the condition, that the number we will print this time number also, num1. So this is the way of printing numbers, that if you are passing a string and now you want to print the variable, then num plus num1, but we want to put one more string, so put one more plus and then string. The number num1 is even number. And since in this case we have only two conditions, that either number is even or odd, so we will directly use else. We will not use multiple if. Okay, so in else system dot out, what happens with if and else is like, if this condition is true, actually this works on the principle of boolean. If always accepts a boolean value, either true or false. So if this will be true, then the control of Java will go inside if condition, otherwise it will go inside else conditions. It means that if a number is divided by 2 in modular way, and if it is not equals to 0, then it will come to else condition. So obviously the number is again plus num1, and again one more string we want to pass, so is odd number. That's it. This is the simplest way of checking even and odd number. So let's run this and check. Alt R and then run Java application and run. So this is asking us type your number, so let's type 12. See, the number 12 is an even number. Why? Because 2 6 are 12 and our remainder is going to be 0. Again Alt R, let's check another condition. In that case we will take 11. See, the number is odd number. So this is the simplest way of checking odd and even number. I hope you have liked this video. Wait for our next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.